Hello everyone, this is Felicia Renee. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, here I have my sis Latrice, and right here you guys, I am just priming her eyelids. Now she never has worn makeup before, so this is her first time getting her makeup done. And right here you guys, you still see me priming her eyelids, and I'm blending it out with my beauty blender to make sure that it's seamless. And yeah, you guys are going to see me prime her face in just a second. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. hydrating primer because she does have a little bit of dry skin. So we want to keep her skin as moist as possible. And yeah, guys, keep watching. Okay, you guys, right here you see me dipping into that color Edge, and I'm just going to apply this to her crease with a fluffy angled brush. And when I start from the edge of her eyelid, I buff it in a circular motion, and then right there, as you can see, once I get to the middle of her lid, I go back and forth in a windshield wiper motion. And of course, you guys, I am just going to repeat the same exact process for her other eye as well. Okay, so now I'm taking this deeper burgundy color, also known as berry, and I am going to place that right underneath her crease where I placed that edge color to create a gradient effect. Okay, so now I am going to dip into that beautiful red glitter color, which is also known as rose dust, and I am going to take that and place it right underneath where I put the berry color. And this is just going to give her a more beautiful, dramatic effect to her eyeshadow look that I'm going for. I thought that glitter color would dramatize the eye look even more. Okay, you guys, and then right here, all I'm doing is just going back in with that edge color just to smoke out the eye a little bit more, and I do it for both eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to dip into this foil color, and I am going to add that to the corners of both of her eyes. And yes, you guys, I'm going to say it again, to make the eyeshadow pop some more. Okay, you guys, so now it's foundation time, and I'm taking my Revlon foundation in a shade 400, and I'm going to mix that with my Maybelline matte foundation in a shade 340 to get her perfect match. And then I'm just going to dot it all over her face and blend her out. Okay, and then I'm just going in with my beauty blender, not adding any more product to her face, but I'm just taking the beauty blender to blend her out even more. Okay, and so now I am bringing out my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. And yes, you guys have seen this in previous videos, and all I am doing now is just highlighting her face in all of the areas where she needs to be highlighted. Y'all, look at her. She's already feeling the makeup look, and I haven't even completed the whole entire process yet. But every time when I see someone gets, happy and they start feeling themselves before I'm even finished, you guys, that just warms my heart and it makes me feel so good. Now I am just going to set all of her highlighted areas with my Airspun, and I'm using a fluffy brush so that I don't pack it on too heavy on her face, because the Airspun can tend to make darker skin tones look a little ashy, and we don't want to look ashy. It's not a good look. And then also I'm bringing out my e.l.f. foundation palette, and I am going to take those two darker shades at the bottom to contour her face, and then I am just going to blend her out. Now I'm going to set everywhere that I contoured on her face with my Bare Minerals powder in the shade Cognac. Yes, you guys have seen this multiple times in previous videos, but yes, I'm just setting all of her contoured areas to make sure that nothing moves and everything stays put. Okay, so right here you guys just see me going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and what I'm doing right here is just defining her contour some more on both her cheeks. Okay, so now you guys, I am going to put a little bit of blush on her face using that light pink color, and I'm just applying it to the apples of her cheeks. I'm applying just a little bit because I don't want too much, and also I'm going to apply the highlighter as well, and I'm using those top two pink shades, and I'm just going to give her a little glow since she doesn't wear makeup at all. I didn't want to go too heavy on the blush or the highlighter. Okay, now going back into my highlighter palette, I'm taking that champagne color and I'm going to go ahead and place that on the bridge of her nose, and I'm going to place it on the tip of her nose. And then once I am done applying the highlighter to her nose, you guys, I'm going to go in and start contouring her nose as well. Okay, you guys, so now it's time for the lips. I will be using this to line her lips, and then I'll be using my super matte liquid lipstick in the shade Burgundy to fill in her lips, and then I will be taking my ColourPop liquid lipstick in the shade Autocorrect to place in the middle of her lip once I have her lips filled in with the other two colors that I showed you first. So right here, you guys just see me lining her lips first. Remember, we're going for a vampy look, but I'm also going to brighten up her lip because I didn't like that it was too dark, too burgundy. I don't feel like it went well with the eyeshadow. So you guys see me putting on the ColourPop liquid lipstick in the shade Autocorrect, and as you guys can see, I just had her blend it in, rub her lips together, and now I'm just lining the top part of her lips so that it won't be so bright and ashy looking. And right there you guys see her son. He came in and he wanted to see his mommy get all dolled up. Isn't he cute? And there go my baby, my daughter in the back, just wants to be seen as well. And then here I'm just applying her mascara. She has a beautiful long lashes, naturally long lashes, you guys. And remember, I'm still working on learning how to apply lashes. And she made that face, guys, because she hates this part of me having to spray her face down. But hey, that makeup has to get melted in, and we want it to look cute. And yeah, I kept playing with her, overdoing it. I said 2 more times. And yeah, she was over it. And now we're just fanning and drying her face down. And you guys, this is the completed look. And I really hope you guys loved this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.